Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a WhatsApp microphone not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select privacy and security. On right side just need to scroll down and select microphone and make sure you turn on the microphone access. Let app access your microphone, turn it on and make sure let desktop app access your microphone is turned on as well and turn on the WhatsApp microphone as well over here. And now just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to right click on the sound icon over here and select sound settings. Under input, you just need to select the microphone that you want to use. In my case, I'm using a headset microphone. I selected that and now check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3 is for WhatsApp web users. Sign into this WhatsApp page and select this icon over here on the top and select a side settings option and scroll down under microphone, click on the drop down and select allow option. And now my problem should be solved. Now you can access the microphone. Method 4, you just need to update or reinstall audio driver. To do this, go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it and you just need to expand this audio input and output. And you just need to right click on your microphone and make case just microphone over here and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. If updating the driver doesn't fix your problem, then right click on your microphone and select uninstall device. After uninstalling it, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, Windows will automatically reinstall the deleted driver and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, you just need to go to search menu and type WhatsApp. Right click on the WhatsApp and select app settings. Just need to scroll down and select the terminate option. This will close the WhatsApp running in the background and select the reset option and select reset. This will delete all the app data and now your problem should be fixed. Make sure no other apps like Zoom or OBS is blocking the microphone. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.